Good evening, everybody. It's about a little after 5:30. We're going to get going, and we're going to start that steer for Penn State NICU here about 6 o'clock. We're going to sell the truck and the wheel horse tractor right before we do the beef. Yeah, we're going to start off with Little Debbie's, Lot 5. Lot 5, Denver cash, check, credit card, 10% surcharge on buyer's premium, 4% on credit card sales. There will be no buyer's premium on the beef tonight, no buyer's premium on the beef, since that's all going for charity. So, here we go. We got Little Debbie's here. Strawberry, short cake rolls, get them on top of the mountain pain, go to bed, 3, 3, 3, 2, get going. To the 2, 2, buy the booth for money, $2. To the 2, $2, dollar bill, get going here. Dollar bill on buyer number is 329, 329, right in the middle, right in the middle. Hey, we got ring dings, you're on the beef, on the piece here, bon, hit it, get going, $2, dollar, get going here, dollar, $2, dollar bill on 41's a buyer, 41 back here. Is he carrying? How many do you want? Two times on 41's a buyer. I got 3 left. Everybody else on Dick Dogs, eh? 198. I got 3 left. Doing all 3. He'll take them 3 times money. Hey, Rich has apple fruit pies. Drake's apple fruit pies here. He's a bit on the box here. Here's a bit on down. Another was a bit on down. Get on here. Down the bit on down. Another bit nine. Bam. 2, 2.5. 2.5. Bam. 2.5. Now hit it with 3. I do 50. Hit it with 3. 3. 250. Hit it with 3. 250 back there. Buyer number is 894. How many do you want? Takes 2 times on 894. Over here, back up bidders over here, 198. She wants 2 times. Anybody else want apple pies? 191 takes 1. Jason right there. Anybody else apple fruit pies there? Back here on 317. 317 takes 1. I guess we'll find the box. Hey, what you got next?
Fall party cake.
Oh, fall party cake. Get on here. Sold right here. $2 on buyer 41 takes 2 times. Buyer 41 takes 2. Back of bidders right there on 329. How many do you want? 2 times on 329. Who else wants apple fall cakes? Anybody else want fall cakes? How many you want? 1 time. You're 105, right? 333, that's right, you got a new number, 333. 1 time. Everybody else some fall cakes? Send them back. Hey, we got brownie pumpkins. You find Little Debbie's here, brownie pumpkin. Dollar, get going again. Dollar to dollar bill, and that's on 894. How many do you want? Takes 2 times. Anybody else on brownies here? 198. I saw her. Takes 2 times there. 198. Over here, 897. She wants 2. I only got 1 left there, dear. She'll take it 1 time. Those are gone. Devil Dogs. Drake's Devil Dogs. You're right. He's going down to the Montana. You're going again. Down to the top of the hand. 2.5. 2's here. $2 here. 171's a buyer. 171.
2 pack.
Takes 2. Back up bidder. How many you want back there? You want 1? Everybody else on Devil Dogs right here, 43. He wants 2 times on 43. Everybody else, I got 1 left, right there, back up. 319, takes the last one, 319. Hey, we got chocolate chip mini muffins. Hit the balls, $2, you're going here. $2, dollar, get going again. Dollar, you're $1.5. Dollar bill, 894 is a buyer, 894. Takes 2 times. What do you got, 2 left? Anybody else? Chocolate chip mini muffins for $1. Right there, 151. Rich, 151 takes both of them 2 times. What we got going next? Hey, pumpkin spice mini muffins. Hit them all. $1, get going here. Bucket half on 102, so 102. Takes 2 times. 198. How many do you want? 2 times on 198. That's it. Hey, Yodels, you're buying Drake's Yodels. Hit it on top of the bear. Target going again. Dollar to your Yodels, $1.5. Buck and a half here, 319. How many you want? Takes four times, back up bidders, 894. She wants one, way back at the wall. Yep, 894. Hey, I got what, about 3 or 4 left there? 5? I got 5 left on Yodels. Anybody else on Yodels? Hey, send them back. Big pack, Cosmic Brownies, you're mine, both won money, big packs, Cosmic Brownies here, hit it up, both won money, $2 there, hit it up, 2 and a half, 2 there, have it on, $2, 49, $2 on 49. Hey, 1 box of Nutty Buddies, 1 box of Big Pack Nutty Buddies, hit it up, boys, hit it up, on the bear, 2, Nutty Buddies, hit it, 2, dollar get on here, $2 and a half, 2 and a half, 3, hit it up, 3, 2 and a half, 49's a buyer, 49. What do you got now? Hey, spin wheels, pecan spin wheels. Take 1, 2, 3. Hit it once, hit it 2, go. Hit it, dollar get going. Dollar, 2 and a half, 2 and a half. Hit it 3, 2 and a half, 102. You want all 3? Takes them all. Hey, Drake's Yankee Doodle cupcakes. Hit it on, 1, 2, go there. Hit it, 2, dollar get going. Dollar here now. Hit it $1 bill, 894. I only got 3. You want them all? Just takes 2. I got 1 left. Only Yankee Doodle cupcakes. Take 1. Takes it right there. 102. Rich, right there. Thank you.
Zebra cakes.
Hey, zebra cakes, big packs of zebra cakes. Get them on. Tell them 2. Get going here. $2, dollar. Get going again. Tell them. Zebra cakes, $1 and a half, 2. $1. Buck and a half on 198. Buyer 198. Only got 3. You want them all? Just one. Back up bidder. There's 2 left. She'll take 1 on 894. 1 time on 894. Got 1 left. 1 left on zebra cakes. Hey, put her back. Hey, fudge rounds. On the fudge rounds. Hit them on, tell them, dollar, get going here. $1 here, $2. Buck and a half, 894 is buyer, 894. Takes 3 times. That's going. They're going. Hey, we got the chocolate fall party cakes this time. Fall party cakes in chocolate flavor. Hit them all. $1 get going here. $2 and a half, 2 and a half. Yes, 2 and a half, 3. 2 and a half, 102 is a buyer, 102. Takes 2. Only got 1 left. You want that one, Karen? 329. Takes the other one, Rich. Right there. Hey, we got big packs of fudge rounds. Big packs. Hit the bell, $2 and go. $2 get on here. $2 Buck and a half on 329's a buyer. You want them both?
Yeah.
Takes them.
Mini glazed donuts.
Hey, mini glazed donuts. You're on. $1 get going here. Mini glazed donuts for $1. Everybody wants them, put it back. Hey, fruit pies, cherry, you're buying both the same money. Both won money, 2 didn't both of 1 money. Hit that on, $2, $2, $2, dollar, get going, both won money, $1 here now, hit $2, $2, $1 and a half here, 333, 333. Hey, now we got zebra donuts. Hey, everybody, what do you got? Just 3 of those?
3.
You're buying them all 1 money, zebra donuts. You're buying them, $1, 2, keep going. $2, give it $1 go. $1 half, $1 bill, 102 is a buyer, $102 bill. Just throw them up there by the box.
The whole party cake.
Yep. You got other big boxes like that?
No, just one of these are.
They can take their choice.
Okay. There you go.
Take their choice. You got individual wrapped units here. Take your choice. There's zebra cakes or Swiss rolls, mixed boxes right there. Yeah, we can do a couple more choices. Into the mid, behind choice on the boxes, behind choice on the single serving packs right there. Into the mid, hit them on the two and get going. Hit them, two, ready for breakfast. Two, 3, hit them, 2.5, hit them, 2.5, 5, 2, hit them, 5, hit them, 5, 3, hit them, 3, 2 on, hit them, 3, hit them, 3, 2.5 on 8, 9, 9's about 8, 9, 9. Take your choice there. Takes a honey buns. There you go. 2 times. Back up hitter, you want choice anything left there? 2.5, I think. 2.5. 198's of our. We got Nutty Buddies, we got zebra cakes and other stuff in there. Rich has donuts, donut sticks. Just one? One time. Anybody else on choice here? 2.5 a box. Anybody else? 2.5 a box. How many you want? Hang on. We got another 3, 3, 3. Which one do you want? Get that mixed box. One time. Timber. Take your buns. Hey, mix up boxes again. Hit them a choice again and go. Hit them on 2. Get going. Hit them. We got spin wheels in there. We got all kinds of stuff. And 2 more honey buns. And 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.5. Hit them 2.5. $2 on 102s of our $2 on 102.
Spin wheels and a Nutty Buddy.
Takes a spin wheels and Nutty Buddy box. 2 times. 2 times. Everyone else choice for $2. 191. Takes 1 time. Back at anybody else? $2 choice. 307. You want the rest? Oh, he's coming to pick. Darn it. I tried. Yeah, sweeten the deal.
What's that? Both of them? 2 times. 2 times.
2 times. 1, 307.
But I want it.
That's what you. All right, check up. Let's load up again.
I'm coming back.
Load up again.
Spin wheels.
More honey buns. Got 2 more things of honey buns. Yep.
Ooh, honey buns.
Okay, whatever. Thank you. Yep.
I know.
There you go.
Another spin of spin wheels.
Is it for us? Well, here a little.
All right, you got.
Sorry.
You sweeten up Riches there yet?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Okay.
Sweeten it up, let's see.
Sweet Riches. Oh, look at there. We're making the deals. Now, choice and go again. 2 and go. Look at all the honey buns in there. 3, Jason.
What the heck?
What the heck?
What the heck?
What can I have? 2, 2, 2.5, 2.5. Now 3, 3, 2.5. 191's a buyer. 191.
That chicken said he wants some.
One time. Anybody else? Backup hitters right there. Karen first. Do you want a choice here? 329. Takes 1 time. 49. Takes 1 time. Back there, E99. You want it?
You got honey buns left. There's cinnamon strudels. Party buns.
That's $8.99 right there. Yep. 198's coming up and taking a look. Nope, they're gonna go there.
Sweeten these deals.
Nope, he did not.
You already got diabetes going. How are you going to sweeten
Oh!
it anymore?
When?
He tries.
Next year?
Okay.
better call us. Maybe.
Here we go, choice and go again. Look at how full the boxes are getting. Two go, two. Not let's go. John, two and a half. $2 there. Heat 94 is the buyer. Heat 94. One time. Backup bidders over here. 198. One time. Everybody else, $2. This is all the deals we got left here, right?
Yep, 3 of them.
All the open boxes we got, single servings right there.
Let's do it all for one.
Yep, all for one. We're buying all the rest of it. One money. Get it up at 2 and go. $3.49 a buyer. 49.
Swiss rolls, Andy.
Hey, big pack, Swiss rolls, big pack, Swiss rolls. Hey, that amount, tell them to get going. Now you're going here. Don't tell them another 2 and a half. 3, big pass. 3, 2 and a half. 171.
2 times.
2 times. Backup bidders, 894. She wants 2 times. 2 times for 894. Anybody else want big pack Swiss rolls? 2 and a half for the hour. 2 and a half on big pack Swiss rolls. 198 takes one time. 198 takes one time. Anybody else? Big pack Swiss rolls. All right, set those back. Hey, we got football brownies. Football brownies is the season here. Football brownies, come on. Get going. Pocket I have 894. How many do you want?
3.
Takes three. Backup bidder. Takes one on 198. Everybody else from football brownies.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.